Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the May Boxycharm. This month, look, we got a cute little box. It's smaller, but it's a little lighter, so I guess it probably still fits about the same amount. But I finally got this yesterday, and cannot wait to oh, I cannot wait to get this thing busted open. I was in there putting my makeup on, then I was like, I'm going to do my Boxycharm, and I already pretty much done. So primer, I already primed, so if I get the primer, I guess we'll just swatch it or something. But I ended up not doing no blush and no lips, but pretty much everything else is done. And I think, what was it, an eyeliner? I'm not really like for sure. They make everything so hard to open. Okay. So, the first thing is, I guess this theme, this month is Make Waves. And then here's the card that tells us everything we got with the price value, but we're not going to look at that because we want to be surprised. Okay, because I try not to look at spoilers or anything I don't want to know. When I get my box, I want to be surprised. Okay, so we got the Glam Glow. I love that box. That is so pretty. Okay, so it is a Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioner Cleanser. Okay, you know, this is like full size. Well, Boxycharm, you get everything full size, but this is like a really good size. I mean, it's like longer than my head. And it's got blending with oat amino acid. It conditions, deep cleans, and face makeup removal. Oh, I like that. And you also, it is 5 fluid ounce. I need to get me some contacts. So, pretty good size. Okay, good thing. So, just a light cleanser that looks like this. I don't have no makeup to remove, so I really don't need that. It don't really have no smell to it, just kind of like soap, some kind of soap. Okay. So our next thing is by Satate London. And it is Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. I love a good liquid eyeshadow. And I love this brand. I love Glam Glow too. Boxycharm to me is like the best subscription you can get. It's full size, $21 a month for 5 full size products. And sometimes, not always, but sometimes you get 6, which I haven't done that in a while. There for a while it was like 6, like a few months in a row. So this is in the color Cupid. Right here it is. So pretty. Ooh, that shines. And I got a lot out, and I think that'll go like really. The way it feels, it don't really feel like it'd do a lot of creasing, but I don't know until you got it on. It just don't feel like it will. I might try that out. Put it in my corners or something. Okay, so this is what I was hoping for. It is the Dose of Colors Berry Me Liquid Lipstick. Now, I was hoping, I do know that they was, everybody was getting different stuff. I did see this when they done their Coachella thing, and I was like, I really, really want that. Okay. That is so pretty. Okay. Ooh, and I got what I wanted. I needed no more face primers. So I was hoping I'd get the blush trio, and that's what I got. Okay, so it's the Amore Cosmetics. I love her line. She does really, really good. I got one of the eyeshadow palettes that I got in Boxycharm, and I absolutely love it. I still use it. I got it last summer. Okay, so here it is. I did get the Fair to Light. And these are like, you got Castaway, Parasol, Scorcher. Ooh, these are so pretty. They're like, this one's like an orangey, maybe like a peachy color. Yeah, like orange, but you can use these for eyeshadows. You can use them for blush, whatever. Okay. So our last thing is Mellow Brow Definer. And I don't think I've ever used Mellow. Takes me a minute to get anything open. Okay. So I got mine in the color, is it Universal color? Okay, so no color on it, just Mellow Brow Definer, and just like their information so it don't tell what color. I like the way it's made. When one's made like this, I normally can do good with it. But to me, BH Cosmetic, it's got one that I absolutely love. It's just a real small tip, and I can get right in there. But today I'm testing out something new that I bought, and it's supposed to be like 48-hour wear or something. I don't know. It's like way out there. It's the new L'Oreal, and I bought it because I do have the Maybelline tattoo one that came out a few months back, and I love it. But with this one, I don't like the directions on how they tell to put it on, and I have to put it on my own way. Hey guys, it's gone. Okay, so I don't even know where it went. So I guess, is what I'm guessing, this is all you get inside that big tube. Well, that is like really a ripoff. And it probably won't go back in. Okay, so if anybody gets the brow pencil, be very careful. Mine like flew right out. But this end kind of looks like it's broke. I don't know. Okay, I want to try this blush palette out. Very disappointed in the brow. Besides the brow, I'm happy with everything I got this month. I really don't want... I think I'm just going to mix them all. I'm just going to swirl it around in there and just use them all. That's so pretty. Okay, so love that. And I can see me using these for change. I like the orange as eyeshadow, so that's what I really like about that. Okay, so next thing we are going to use the cream shadow, and we're just gonna like put it like, I didn't put no highlighter here yet, so maybe Get a little carried away. Okay, so I love this color. So pretty. You can use it as a highlight, anything you want, eyeshadow, put it on your lips. That's a great thing about makeup. You can use it for anything. Okay, so our last product to try, since we're not going to wash our face off, since I just put my makeup on. I should have brought a liner with me, but I didn't know what I was getting, so. But when you got a tip like this, it's kind of like the Wet n Wild ones. It's very easy to, like, because it just hugs your lip. Ooh. So I like that color. It's very bright, summery, fun. I really like it. And see, look, I got like my Cupid bow like really cut good, even without a liner, because that's the way I like mine. I don't. Some people goes like straight across it and just evens their lips up. Me personally, I don't like it on me. I like to keep inside the lines, so I really do like that. Okay, so I already lost the card. So now, okay, there it is. As you were saying, now I don't know the value. Okay, so the Glam and Glow cost us $28, which I believe is worth it. And right there, you've already got your money back and then some. And the Amara palette cost us $22. You know, I thought it'd be a little higher, but that is a really good price for this. And right there, you're like 22 and 28 would be $50. So right there, you've already made like $50 with 2 items. You've paid your box off and made money already. So the Eyeliner Cream eyeshadow was $22. And so that puts us at $72. Dose of Colors was $18. And the Mellow Brow was $18. I would not personally give $18 for that much brow stuff. I mean, that's ridiculous. So, and I know like Dose of Colors was new to Boxycharm this month, and I think Mellow must be too, because I've never heard of them. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will leave the link down for Boxycharm in the description box. And I guess that's it. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.